Hi. Hi. Today we're going to be opening 3 packs of Pokemon. A Brilliant Stars, Evolving Skies, and Chilling Rain. We're going to start with Evolving Skies. Just a sec. Okay. There's still a couple cards in there, but let's start with this. A Slackosh. I don't know how you pronounce that. A Dwibble, a Marip, and a Flabbaby. Then we have another deck of cards here. Okay, we got that card, and we got this card! Energy. Now we're gonna go with the Chilling Rain. Hopefully we pull a rare and this one. Diglett, and a Clobuzz. Now we're gonna go with a Brilliant Stars. Hopefully we pull a good card in this. Oh, a Charizard pack. Oh, I feel something heavy. Got a gobble. Got a dragon. We got and a V-Star thingy. Electrobus. We didn't pull a good one in here. Come on. I guess we'll have to make another video and hopefully we pull a good card. Thank you for watching.